Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amy and I am actually doing a different type of video today. I'm doing a clean with me after dinner. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and follow along with our videos. Alright, so right after dinner, my kids know that their responsibility is to go ahead and put their trash in the trash can, and they put their dishes in the sink. And then this particular night, Gracie June actually wanted to help me load the dishwasher. So she was so sweet and a big help, and it was just the cutest. Alright, so after we load the dishwasher, I will wash any dishes that need to be washed by hand. And of course, my super sparkly coffee mugs have to be washed by hand. And I am using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and it's in the basil scent. And I actually did a video recently where I told you guys that I got my first order from Grove Collaborative, and this is the first time I've ever started using Mrs. Meyer's products, and I absolutely love it. It's my favorite dish soap that I've ever used. It smells so good, y'all. So if you haven't tried it, you have to. So this sink, y'all, is from IKEA, and it's the Farmhouse sink, and it's way cheaper than any of the other regular Farmhouse sinks that you could find. But the thing about it is you have to really clean it like every night, because those little creases at the top will get so much dirt and food and stuff inside. So I always wash my sink out, and then I always dry it off with a paper towel or a dish rag or something right afterwards. Alright, so after I get the sink all clean, I start picking up all the clutter and putting it where it goes. We tend to just throw things on our counter a lot, so it's like our catch-all spot. So now I'm just kind of cleaning up around the kitchen. Alright, another product that I've started using recently from Grove Collaborative is the Anti-Bac Method all-purpose cleaner, and I love it too. I love the way it smells. It smells so fresh and clean, and I like the way my kitchen smells after I clean with it. while I'm cleaning, I also like to light a candle because it just motivates me to keep on going, and I just love the smell. Alright, and to clean my wood surfaces, I just also got this method cleaner from Grove Collaborative, and it's the Wood for Good Daily Cleaner. So you can use it on all your wood surfaces, and I love how shiny it makes it look, and it's perfect for my wood countertops. After cleaning all the surfaces from top to bottom, then I will go and sweep the floor before I mop. So for mopping, I just have the Bona Mop, and it's just a little spray mop, and I use the Bona floor cleaner, and it's perfect for wood floors. Our whole bottom downstairs is all wood, so we use it everywhere. And there you can see my sweet dog. He was kind of in the way, so I asked him to move, and he goes over and starts picking up crumbs. So there he is. He's kind of helping me too. He likes to pick up the crumbs after the kids eat, and so I just started, I went over to the breakfast area. I always clean the kitchen first, and then I'll clean the breakfast area kind of in separate parts. So I just kind of pick up everything, and then I'll use the anti-bac method cleaner again, the all-purpose cleaner, just to clean off the table and get it nice and clean after we've eaten. And on this particular night, we ate some spaghetti, and there was just stuff all over the table. So after I clean off the table, then I'll sweep and mop this area of the room as well. Alright, and so while I was cleaning this night, I decided to finally declutter our kitchen hutch area because it's kind of another little catch-all for us as well. We've got a lot of the kids' artwork from school just sitting there, and a couple of games that we had played but didn't put back up. So I'm putting it all where it belongs, and it felt so good to declutter this area. All right, and then in this little area, this is where we keep the kids' book bags. We don't really have another good place to put them, so we just put them right here, and I usually fix them all up and get them ready for the next day so that I don't have to do it in the morning before school. All right, now that the kitchen is all nice and clean, we can just kind of hang out and relax and enjoy each other. I hope you loved my first cleaning video. If you did, would you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more videos like this from my channel. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.